Good morning, guys. And for Tuesday skincare, I picked the men's skincare because that's what I was anyway talking about it the whole week. And surprisingly, Senagence came up with a new product, and also they released a sale. As I have mentioned earlier, even as distributors we come to know only the day they announce it, so I had no clue on that, but it coincidentally came up with the same week as I was talking about men's skincare, so it was really perfect for that. For my lip, I have used Kiss My Sass, but I have topped it with grape gloss. And if you know, many of you liked Peacock Pearl. This is Peacock Pearl just without the glitters, because Peacock Pearl has like a what to say, like turquoise glitter actually in it. So if you're a person who liked the color but not the glitters, then this is the perfect combo for you. So I have already placed the order for the men's hair gel hair cream, because I think in my previous video also I have mentioned my husband is so obsessed with this hair, so I know immediately he will love that, so I ordered them already. So for the men's products, we carry the shaving cream, the cleanser, and also the moisturizer. So these three are the products that was released from men in last October. So from that time onwards my husband is been using it. He loves this shaving cream because he says that after this he never needed after shave gel or lotion to cool down, because he says it's really moisturizes it. And even when he does it under it, he usually makes a cut, because his hairs and all will be thick, so obviously he used to have razor cuts here and here and all, but this makes it soft and smooth, so he says he really likes it. And I think he's still using the first bottle to be fair, because nowadays he just trims it, he doesn't does clean shave, but he still has his first bottle running from October. And being a Senegence product, it obviously comes with Senaplex complex. So that is one thing you need to consider about while getting these, because it's not only, even though the product is going to just you're going to apply for a few seconds, but still you're going to get a benefit of what is it, like a skincare benefit to it, like how our makeup remover or even the makeup has Senaplex complex, that's going to help having a good skincare. The same way, even on like a shaving cream, they have added that. And for my face, it's a no makeup day, so it's I just have skincare on them. If you see the instruction itself, it says start with the dime to quarter size. So that is one thing I always mention to my clients. Whenever you start with Senegence line, don't start squeezing a lot, because Senegence products are highly concentrated. So you always start with, if it is a skincare like our moisturizer and all, we start with the pea size. I think since it's going to be going all over the face, they have put from dime to quarter size. That is the amount even I have suggested for our shampoo. So you start with small, and then based on the day how much you need it, you may add it. And the same way, you always make sure to add water to activate it, whether it's a shampoo or a cleanser or shaving cream. That way you will get the maximum benefits out of it. Why do we have like a separate men's line? Because men's skin and hair is completely different from women's. Their follicle size is bigger, that's why they get more ingrown hair. So by using a quality ingredient, then obviously you will slowly start seeing reducing of what is it, like a bumpiness and rough skin and all. It has multiple botanical ingredients that's going to help hydrate and soothe when while you are still going to shave it. So instead of irritating your skin, it's going to calm it down. And it's not only for men. If you are someone who uses razors to shave your legs and hands and all for during summer days. You can use it too, so it's for both, so that way it's going to make it softer and you won't have any razor cuts. And it's gluten free, paraben free, and animal byproducts free, and Senegens never test these products on animals, so they are obviously cruelty free, and all Senegens products are made in here in USA. So next comes our cleanser. The same way, if you see the cleanser from women's one, if you see this one is 4 ounce, whereas this is 5 ounce, so they still get a bigger bottle. And not only that, if you have seen my post during our exfoliation week, I have talked about gentle exfoliation, where it is like you will have particles here which will exfoliate in like a very gentle way, but you will do it every single day, because exfoliation is a very important crucial part when it comes to skincare, because unless you remove those dead skin cells that's on top of your skin layer, the other skincare product whatever you are going to apply, it's not going to penetrate well, and you will have like a dull patchy skin. The even if you apply foundation or anything, it is not going to go smooth. The same way for your lips, until you exfoliate, you will have like dry patches and unevenness all over. But once you start exfoliating twice a week or at least once a week, you will see a huge improvement in your skin, and also the makeup will adhere better. Again, this one is sulfate free, paraben free, and gluten free and animal byproduct free. And you can use the cleanser before you start shaving. That way you will have like a clean dry face which is already hydrated, and the shaving cream will even more help it. You can use twice a day, and the thing my husband said he likes about these are they have a very light fragrance to it, whereas our other cleansers doesn't have that much, so he likes that. And also it lathers little bit more than the other line, like the normal to dry or basically women's line. So that is other thing he likes about it. So as you see, it's a bigger bottle for the men to hold, so I know it's hard for them to have to ask for like tiny pea size and also this helps it in that way. It has eucalyptus oil, which is going to act as an antioxidant and also as an antibacterial. That way it maintains like a well balanced skin. And also it has nanga oil and fruit extract oil. I think it has apple fruit extract oil. Those are going to help, because if your cleanser is going to strip down all the oils and moisture you have, there isn't a point about it. So Senegen's cleansers will never do that, whether this one or our any of our 3-in-1 cleansers will not strip down all the essential oils. Instead, while gently exfoliating, they are still going to moisturize. As I said, even this one has nanga oil to it. I think I have talked about nanga oil's benefits, because it's one of the triglyceride. It is going to highly moisturize your face while cleansing it. So those are the benefits of using the cleanser. And when it comes to moisturizer, look at the size difference from here to here. Like this one is like 49 ml, whereas this one is 86 ml. That means it's so much more than the regular moisturizer. And also the main difference will be the Senegen's moisturizers of for these skin types will have SPF 15, whereas this is like a broad spectrum SPF 20. That means obviously like it is going to cover you for more hours, and it is not going to be shiny at all. It gives like a matte finish, so it will get absorbed immediately. At the same time, you will not have like a shine that you get in sunscreen. and all three products comes with Senaplex complex, and also this one has age fighting ingredients that's going to fight like anti-aging benefits, and also it has cucumber extract which is going to be like really hydrating. At the same time it's not going to be oily. These products are, as I mentioned, they are going to be gluten free and all, paraben free, sulfate free. So using a high quality skincare will obviously make a difference in your skin over the period of time. So coming to the sale, Senegence have done this priorly too. I think it was 104 for all three, and it comes with a travel size bag. I have already placed all those orders which has been done for pre-order, so that will get shipped out once I receive them. But this time they made it even sweeter. They added a lip balm, so think of it as a gift to one, or even you can split it up once you get it. So you can even gift it to your teen, or you can gift it to your anybody in your family, because lip balm is like universal, like from my son to my husband or myself, anybody can use it, so you can even keep it for yourself. So that's a nice addition, because this small tube will last you minimum 6 to 8 months, because that's how much you will use this product. And it's again like how our climate control, this is called liquid gold, because it's highly moisturizing, and at the same time you won't need a lot. And this again comes with like a matte finish, so you will not have like a shiny lip balm. So and you, as you know, we do have tinted lip balms, but this one you can very well use it for men, because it is like a clear one. So that's the package Senegence had come up with. And these products are still available individually. It doesn't need to be in a package. You can still order them individually. As I mentioned, each one is going to last longer, and they are going to appreciate you, because I am that kind of a person. I don't like fancy gifts, like what is it, like just like a one day thing or something. Instead, if something is like a everyday thing which you can appreciate more, I tend to do those things for to the other person, or even to receive it. I like those type of gifts. So for example, this is going to minimum last them for 4 to 6 months, so it's like a gift they can enjoy and cherish every day, and they will be able to see the results too. I know we all moms got spoiled for Mother's Day, so why not we do the same to Father's Day too? So they deserve that, obviously. And if they want to give it a try, you can still try them in the sample packed as well. We don't have the sample for moisturizer alone because of the SPF. They say the SPF cannot stay in this form, it will get spoiled. That's why they don't have it. Instead, we just have the cleanser and the shaving cream in the sample. So you still have a chance for them to try before too. I always make sure to load them up whenever I have orders going out, and I always add these, because when you get a chance to try these products, you will realize how good they are, because like resurfacer and all, the sample makes a huge difference, because once you try it, you know how your skin feels even after one use. I think the same way, even this shaving cream and all, they'll be immediately able to notice the difference. So, if you are interested in any of these products, please ping me. I can make sure to send out before Father's Day. That way, it can reach you way ahead, and you can plan it. My big order is going to come sometimes this weekend or early next week. I may even open it in the live sale, because it's going to have so much of skincare and hair care and all. I have ordered all the new shampoo, serum, everything, and the blush color which I wore yesterday, so many complimented, even in person. I had to drop off some packages in post office, and I got so many compliments there, and Sanajan shared my picture in their Instagram page, so that was another fun. And it sold out the very first time when it came out, so I couldn't grab it. So yesterday I was able to grab few of them, so if you are interested in that color too, ping me. I have just a very limited amount of that, like, because by the time I ordered, I had a few left. And the new hair gel will also be in the package that's I'm going to receive. So you can grab that too if you are interested. So that's all for today's video. That's the products I wanted to cover, and have a wonderful day. See you all soon with a new content.